In today's video, oh, I'm going to teach you how to disable zoom with O and I in Roblox Studio. Let's jump right in. In Roblox Studio, O and I are the default camera zoom out and zoom in keys for players. We're going to disable those in-game by using a local script so it only affects the player's client during playtesting and live gameplay. First, open the Explorer. If you don't see it, enable Explorer from the View tab. In Explorer, find Starter Player and expand it. Inside Starter Player, locate the folder named Starter Player Scripts. This is where we want our code to live, because anything placed here runs locally for each player when the game starts. Right-click Starter Player Scripts and add a local script. It's important that it's a local script, not a regular script, because input handling and camera control should run on the client. With the local script selected, paste the script that I'm showing on screen. This script listens for the I and O keys and prevents them from triggering the default zoom behavior. In most cases, this is done by binding those keys through context action service or detecting them via userinputservice and returning enum.contextAction result. Sync, so the engine doesn't pass the input onto the camera. The end result is that pressing I or O won't zoom the camera in or out while the player is in-game. A couple of quick tips before we test. Make sure the script is in Starter Player Scripts specifically. Placing it in Server Script Service, or as a normal script, won't work for player input. Also remember, this change affects the in-game camera, not the Studio Editor camera, so you'll still be able to zoom around in the editor as usual. Now, press play to test. Once you spawn, try pressing O and I. You should see that they no longer zoom the camera. If they still do, double-check that your script is a local script, that it's inside Starter Player Scripts, and that there aren't other scripts rebinding those keys. You can also insert a simple print statement inside your input handler to confirm it's running. That's it. You've disabled the O and I zoom keys for players using a local script in Starter Player Scripts. This keeps your camera behavior consistent and prevents players from breaking your intended view with the default shortcuts.